Hey guys, welcome to Gray Market Safari. We move the camera so you can get a special in front of the scenes view of how to draw a blind. We're doing this today. I know I'm not drawing a pencil, that would be fucking stupid. I'm just using a pencil because I want to draw an eye and I want to make it detailed as hell with proper amazing shading. Really going for that realistic look here. You know, maybe a little cartoonish, but not to the point that you're like, yeah, dude, that's straight up anime. I can tell you had to animate 60 episodes this month, so you had to fucking rush it, dude. Because that's how Dragon Ball Z is, kids. You and your Dragon Ball GTs and your whatever the new one's called. That's how you know I'm fucking hip with it, man. Alright. It's amazing how quick you can draw an eye, even a detailed one like this. Get some veins in there. Because this guy is tired. He was probably up at 3 a.m. because of his freaking cat. Not that that ever happens to me. I'm just getting in the artistic mode and, you know, projecting. But hey, there you go. There's a realistic eye for you. Ooh, I might have written a secret code in there for myself. Hano Wamanana.